Next we will have about speedometer and odometer. There are two terms, very important one: speedometer and odometer. So if you see this meter, so in the vehicle it is mentioned. So here you will see another box will be there, small box. Here it will be written like 10,562. So any number it will be written like 57 or 67,000 or 50,000 or means any number will be written. This is here it will be written in kilometer. So this is the distance covered by the vehicle till date if it is in 5 years old. So in this 5 years, how much kilometer or how many kilometers the vehicle is moved, or how many kilometers the vehicle has covered, that will be written on this and in a meter. So this meter is known as odometer. So in odometer, how the total distance covered by the vehicle is mentioned in odometer. And speedometer is this one where speed of the vehicle is mentioned, how much speed the vehicle is required. So this one is mentioned in speedometer. So there are two different ones. One is speedometer, another one is odometer. In odometer, the total distance of the vehicle is mentioned, and in speedometer, and the total the speed of the vehicle is mentioned. Then we have different types of graph. There we have a very important distance time graph. Distance time graph. So in general mathematics we have seen different types of graphs. We have one, we have that is bar graph. In your book it is clearly different images are given, different figures in there. You can see different graphs are mentioned. So this is one type of graph. Here it is numbers will be meant 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There will be something 1, 2, 3. This is known as bar graph. So some small bar like substance objects will be there, and it is known as bar graph. Then we have different others. Once again, then we have another type of graph that will be like circular in shape, and different colors will be given in this one. This is known as pie chart. So in pie chart, on this will be one color, that will be another color, this will be another color. So different and based on the percentage, it is this pie chart is prepared. So if it is 70%, and if it is 10%, and if it is 20%, so different based on the percentage, this type of graphs are prepared. So this is another one. This is known as pie chart. And another one we have very important one. So one type of will be there, and line, it is known as line graph. One line will be prepared based on the numbers put, based on the numbers that we will put. Based on the numbers we will make one line, and here will be x-axis and y, and it will be the origin of the graph, and this is known as line graph. So these are the different types of graphs we know. One is bar graph, then one other one we have pie chart, and one is line graph. So in this chapter we will be basically doing based on this line graph. So in your book, one chart is given, one table. In the table, one girl Paheli has noted down some numbers of the vehicle while traveling to any place. So she measured during the time like 8:30. So the total in odometer she noticed, she has noted that it is like 10,000 some kilometers covered by the vehicle. In 9 she also measured or noted the number is like 10,650. It is 10,640. In 9:30 she measured it is 10,680. So different numbers she measured. So based on that one, she prepared one part that is line graph. So in 10 kilometer it is so it is 10 kilometer, then it is 10, and then it is 30 kilometer. So in 8:30 she gave the number 8:30, 9:30. So in 9, then we have 9:30, 10, like that it is given in a book. So it is 10, 20, 30, like this. So in 8:30 it covered 10 kilometer. In 9 it covered 20 kilometer, that is 10 plus 20, that already covered, then 30, like this. Then if we join all these points, we will get a straight line, or sometimes we may get a different lines, because in all the time the vehicle will not be moving in the same speed. The speed will be different, and the distance covered by the vehicle will also be different. So it will cover in this one I have shown means the vehicle is moving in with a constant speed, and we will get a straight line graph. The line will be very straight. So like this we can make different graphs for different figures. And up to this much in this chapter, and I will share the notes with you in the group. And thank you for watching the video with so much of patience.